Hi ka-TM! Nakaka-receive ba kayo ng text message from TM Rewards about their ongoing promos or freebies? Like itong free hamburger na makiklaim sa Globan app. At itong free 500 raffle entries na pwede kang manalo ng appliances, travel package at iba pa. Pwedeng ma-redeem through text at makikita din sa Globan app until October 31 lang. On your phone, just search Globan app. Pag wala pa, download lang sa Play Store, ganito itsura niya, and register your number. Pwede din ata to sa Globe, wala kasi akong Globe number. So, try nyo na lang. Then, on the homepage, just click on this check this out banner and scroll for more details. Then, let's try this Globe Day, just click it. And lalabas yung other rewards. Yung ibang reward, required ang points. Ang points is makukuha pag nag-load ka. Since kulang points ko, di ko siya ma-redeem. Pero na-redeem ko na yan dati. On the lower part, hindi dito required ang points. Mariredeem siya for free. Like itong Jollibee Hamburger. Click lang, tas register your details. Pero itong burger kasi na-redeem ko na. So, once lang pwede per number. Then, let's try these special room rates. If may plan kayo to travel in the future, pwede nyo siya magamit. Again, redeem lang ng available, baka sakali may biglang biyahe to Boracay, char. Tapos, dito sa baba, may TM Fun Rewards. Need dito ng token. Actually, di ko alam paano makuha yung token. Nagkaroon lang ako. Try ko itong spin it to wheel. Click play game lang. Try ko itong Dunkin' Donuts. Spin the wheel lang. Ayan, so I won. Then, let's view the voucher packet. Rewards tab, andyan yung mga na-claim kong rewards. May codes yan na pwede nyong gamitin pagbayad o pag-claim. May instructions din how to redeem. Itong TM Fun Rewards, click lang to go to TM Rewards, then spin the wheel. Every dito available guys, ang dami ko na na-claim dito. Usually 150 MB, FB, or data. Pag lumabas ako, di ko na need mag-load minsan kasi usually messenger lang kailangan ko. Ayan, 100 MB, FB naman, good for 3 days yan. Upon successful redemption, makaka-receive ka ng text message about your redemption details. But you can also check it sa app. Ang magme-message diyan is si 4438 or si TM Rewards din. So, beware of the scammers po.